We really set out to do something that differentiated us from the rest of the market. If you look at a lot of the tablets in the industry, most of them are rectangular in shape, and we were really looking to find something that would give us more of a ruggedized industrial design.
I want this thing to be tough, something that I'm going to toss on the seat of my truck. Yet at the same time, we didn't want to do something that looked so far like it was military industrial.
And as you'll notice, the R12 does have kind of this octagon shaped silhouette that really gives you that independent look from across the room. It's very interesting and functional, being it doesn't have square corners. Those notched corners help really dispense the energy if the tablet's ever dropped on one of its corners. The ergonomics then took shape after we kind of formed that outline. We sculpted the back of the tablet so that it kind of fit with your hand as you hold it. In the back side of the tablet, we went with an array of dot patterns. Motion worked directly with Lennart Studios to devise the industrial design. That was not only a huge challenge, but a lot of fun.
And being able to design all of that in parallel, where we thought through how would we implement the vehicle dock, how would we implement the desktop dock, how does the pen factor into the design, what are the use cases that we want to look at. Being able to put all that together is just a really nice balance.
This family of products came together as if they all look like they're meant to belong with each other. That was really a lot of fun and something I'm very proud of.
To me, the real key thing is when we were designing this and we were making decisions, it was, you gotta go from the customer side, right? And we realized that our customers and our users need to depend on the tablet and the solution wrapped around it for years. We decided that we would come up with the R12 program and we would really challenge ourselves to catch the latest technology, but yet build something where we think it will be a device that people will use and love for a number of years, not something where we're looking at it and we're saying, oh, well, we can make it this thick this year or this heavy this year, and next year we'll put a smaller battery in it and we'll reduce the chassis size by 1 millimeter, and that would change the interface between that and all the peripherals and how you mount it in the vehicle and all those things. So one of the really top of mind things for us is how do we achieve a very good technology solution, but at the same time make sure that we can hold the elements of that very stable for a long life cycle for many of our customers who standardized on the product for a long time. So it's a lot of it's about being really effective with what you do, and that's, you know, one of the terms you'll hear us say is it's not about the tablet, and it's really true. We focus a lot on the tablet, but what the driving factor behind that focus is what are our users and what are our customers going to do to improve their workflows when they're using this device and this set of devices that we build around it.
So the R12 display is a 1920 by 1080 pixel ratio.
It's an IPS panel, has a better viewing angle. I think the biggest thing I'm proud of is the outdoor viewability, and then of course the touch performance. When you integrate touch into the panel, the performance of touch is also excellent.
The R12 display uses a Wacom digitizer. It has touch and pen input. We chose to go with the larger screen size, the 12.5-inch display, because we're really trying to provide a tablet that works well for users that have a need to use it both indoors and outdoors. So the primary challenge around the large display was providing that large screen real estate while at the same time minimizing the added weight. Our engineering team did a great job increasing the display size while maintaining the ruggedness and the crisp viewability. It uses Gorilla Glass 3 technology, which maintains a high level of durability.
And has a better scratch resistance.
And we've really given it a go on testing. We have yet to ever see any one of our systems have the Gorilla Glass fracture.
Perfect for the user who would want to use it indoors as well as outdoors in a rugged environment.
You're also using optical bonding methods that really Motion was a pioneer in, to optically bond the glass to the display so that we get the absolute best contrast ratio.
People that are going to benefit the most from this display are users who operate in a mixed environment, those who would spend part of their time at a desktop environment and then part of the time outdoors in a more rugged environment.
One of the big challenges of the R12 design was keeping the system weight as low as possible. In order to achieve this, we created a battery configuration that uses a bridge battery alongside the main tablet battery.
So the bridge battery is a secondary battery inside the system. It's a smaller battery, lightweight.
The bridge battery within the unit provides about a minute of power to provide the user ample time to swap the primary battery.
All a user has to do when the battery runs low is flip the system over, remove the existing battery pack, and replace it with a fresh one.
What this means is that you can have virtually endless battery life.
The user really never has to go to sleep or shut down. Any scenario like that, they can be up and running and never have to turn off their PC. And if they need more than 7 hours, they can swap it out and continue working. One of the more unique things the R12 has on it is the detachable keyboard. That keyboard has an easel mechanism that we designed that pops out from the back, so this thing can act as an easel just about anywhere you go. In addition to that, it's got a completely removable keyboard that's wireless, and when I say wireless, it is a proprietary wireless infrastructure that it connects to that is secure. In addition to that, it has a capacitive touchpad as well as a full QWERTY keyboard. And that's something you're not going to find in the market. You never see them combined into one feature.
When the companion keyboard is not in use, it's stowed comfortably on the back of the tablet. It's secured with magnets and maintains the form factor, so it's very easy to carry. It doesn't get in the way, and you can have it with you so that when you are ready to use it, it deploys quickly and easily.
And given our market segment and the industry we deal in, our customers often have maybe 100 tablets and they'll have 100 keyboards, and the IT guy has a massive amount of inventory that he's dealing with and swapping in and out on a daily basis. One of the concerns we had was if one keyboard is paired to another tablet, how does our customer deal with that, and what if they get the two mixed up? So we actually designed and patented a method for the keyboard to auto pair with the tablet. The instant it is stowed on the back of the tablet, it will pair with that tablet and they'll share a secret encrypted code. Those two can then talk to each other, and only those two talk to each other. And that's kind of how we went around solving that concern our customers